Alright, the quotient rule. The quotient rule happens whenever we have a fraction dividing each other. So what we could do is, like, for example, if we have our beloved qx will be equals to two things, ux over vx. The denominator, the differentiator one, will be numerator first, copy the denominator, minus, remember minus, like divide is a friend of minus, I said so, and then over the denominator, and then we have our denominator squared. Yes, sounds complicated, but that is math. So in the fx version and a y version, we do the same thing. You differentiated dy dx, or you can call it dy dx, depends on how you call it, and then will be u dash v minus v u dash over v squared. It's just the same, but how does it work? Let's have an example with it. So there we go. We have a y equals to something simple first. Let's do it. So we do the differentiation. We differentiate the first bit will be equals to numerator 3x there, and then copy whatever in the denominator, minus 1 plus 3x, copy that, the numerator, and then we differentiate the denominator, which is 2x. And then square whatever in the bottom. I need a ruler for that one. Anyway, so if you want, you can simplify it. Usually I do, just in case. And then we can simplify that a little bit. So then we have 3 minus 2x minus 3x squared. I like to put a positive in the front. And that's the example of differentiation. Sometimes you might have to remove it and simplify it a little bit more, but basically the quotient rule is like this. You can reuse it. Instead of quotient rule, people might like to use product rule for it, but that's really your choice. So if you really want to use the product rule, what you can do is put it into a negative index. So just like product rule, we do the same thing. Differentiate the first bit, copy the pack, and then plus, and then we do a negative in the front, and then we have x squared plus 1 squared, and then we have the inside bit 2x. So put it back into the fraction. And if you could simplify that, change it in the same denominator. It should come in the same bit. It really depends on your choice, but some people would like to use fraction product rule, some people like quotient rule, but if the question stated you need to use the quotient rule, then you have to use it, and that is our quotient rule.